Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as from the title of this video you might guessed it that this video is a review video, and not just an ordinary review video. This is going to be a 2-minute review video. So I'm going to start a new series on my YouTube channel in which I'm going to review the products in 2 minutes. That will be quick, crisp for you to watch also, and to decide for yourself whether you want to go for this product or not. So as you know that in this video I am going to review a Smashbox liquid lipstick kit, and this one which I have is Smashbox Shobita Duripala's Smashbox liquid lipstick kit, in which we get two shades. The one shade which I'm wearing right now is known as Bavsi, which is a good red tone color, and the another one is the Gulabi, which they claim that it is one shade which will suit all the skin tones, which we'll talk in a while in the video. This very quick video, let us go step by step. So first we'll discuss about the packaging. So this product comes into the Nykaa Looks category, and it comes in a packaging like this where they have written Nykaa and all, and inside this you get a pouch, black pouch. I think I've misplaced it somewhere, and within that black pouch I get this cardboard packaging. In this cardboard packaging I get these two liquid lipsticks. These are for 0.9 ml each, so it's pretty small for the price we are paying. So you get these two liquid lipsticks for rupees 99. Let's talk about the formulation of these liquid lipsticks. So the formulation of these liquid lipsticks is absolutely great. They are so comfortable to wear that at times you don't even need a lip balm beneath. Now let's talk about the transfer proofness. So these liquid lipsticks are absolutely transfer proof. They don't transfer on the rims of your cups or on your spoons or anything. So it's a great point for these liquid. Point is that they last a really good time. So they will last you tea, coffees, water, everything. Lunch especially, they will not last a lot, but you can always top up. But I think the long last, they are pretty long. Now let's just talk quickly about the shade. So this shade I'm wearing right now is Bouncy. As you can see, it's a very warm tone, good red, which you can wear it in the night parties, in the Indian wedding function. This is a very great color, and if you're a dusky skin person like me or even darker, I think this shade is a must-have red for you. Only complaint is with this shade because they claim that this shade is supposed to suit all the Indian skin tones, but it didn't suit me any which way. I have tried it with makeup, without makeup. It doesn't, it just washes me out. So my final verdict is, I think you should not go for these lip kits if you're a dusky skin person, because this one, the Gulabi one, will not suit you at all. So if the formulation is really nice, so if you want to splurge your money on a good great liquid lipstick, I think you can go for the Bavasi one, because this shade will suit you a lot if you have a skin tone familiar to me. It is better if you want to try a Smashbox liquid lipstick. I think you should go for a single standalone piece rather than going for a lip kit, because one shade is a failure for you, one shade might be good for you. So that's why there is always a gamble in it. So that is my review for it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and so I'll see you in my next video. Bye.